Hi, Mike. Hope you're enjoying the nice dry conditions there in the studio. Completely soaked here at the coast, and that's what we've been dealing with all day long. That rain really picking up in intensity, as Mike was pointing out, getting the heaviest of that rainfall near the coast, and definitely these strongest winds right at the coast too. We've been feeling the sustained winds and the strongest gusts all day long here, and now seeing some of these gusts up over 30 miles per hour, up near 40 miles per hour in spots, especially as you get closer to the shore. So with some of these strong gusts, it's making it feel much colder. And of course, we have the wind-whipped rain, and sustained winds here at the coast too have been on the order of 20 to 25 miles per hour. So not only are you getting those strong gusts, but you're not getting any break from the wind in between. We had that high tide cycle around 8 o'clock this evening. A little bit of splashover we saw as we were driving by. But thankfully, as Mike pointed out too, flooding not a big concern. The next high tide cycle will be tomorrow morning around 8:15 or so, and not expecting flooding concerns with that either. But definitely ponding on roadways. There's ponding in the parking lots here and on some of the area roads. You can even see the wind blowing the water across the roadways. So if you're driving at all late tonight, just be cautious. Woo, you can hear the wind really howling here. Be cautious driving around, that wind blowing the rain, making it harder to see and splashing up the water from other cars as well. Getting some good gusts now, guys, and it hurts a little bit. You know, that it almost feels like I'm standing in, sleet here because that rain is just coming at me so hard from those winds. So we'll send things back inside to you. Definitely inside is the place to be out there tonight. Live in Hampton, Jacqueline Thomas, WMUR News 9.
Jackie, thank you. You are the best. You can follow along with the storm as it moves through New Hampshire here on the air and online. Stay one step ahead of the forecast on WMUR.com and our app.